It's too early for us to kwenda kwa hiyo. We shall be having maybe coalition agreements. Ama can even go all the way to the ballot. We can fix even a presidential candidate. Na si lazima ikuwe Sonko. Any guy with a presidential ambitions atakuja kwa ballot yetu through the democratic process, as I've said. Akichaguliwa, we'll sponsor him all the way to the ballot. So this is the party of all Kenyans. Hatukwamba kuongea mambo sijui ya Wiper, sijui Kasongo, sijui gani. Sisi we are a party of our own. Yes.
Will you be running for any office under this party?
Who now, me or our candidates? Is a question to me or the excellent? Yeah, I know where you are heading to. You want to talk about my impeachment, which is a very good question. I'm very sure you're all aware that I lost all my appeals at the court, all the way from the High Court, Court of Appeal, the Supreme Court, and I'm admitting that I lost. But guys are just talking just for the sake of talking. Yeah, they are expressing law in a way that favors them. I want you guys to look at Article 193, sub-Article 3. It talks about the eligibility of a candidate. Yeah, Article 193, sub-Article 3 says if you have an impeachment or you're facing any decision or a sentence like mine, the impeachment, you have to exhaust all avenues of appeals. It doesn't end there, or reviews. I agree, I've exhausted my appeals, but I've not exhausted my reviews. I have new evidence that has come. The move of my impeachment, and somebody was intimidated to lie about me. Yeah, the speaker will preside over my impeachment. He has said he was intimidated to lie. The move of the second, the current governor of Isiolo, who was the leader of majority at that time, he has shown an affidavit as well, which is before the Supreme Court, and said he was forced also to lie. Yeah, these facts are also before the Senate. Yeah, the Senate also wrote a letter to the Supreme Court. They have withdrawn all their earlier negative affidavits about me. Yeah, so I've not exhausted my reviews. I've got very good fresh grounds for review. And once you file those particular grounds, the Constitution, not Sonko, the Constitution says if you have an active review before any court, will be on the ballot. Yeah.
Hii si chama ambayo ni briefcase, kwa sababu kila kama venye mmeona the registrar of political parties has said, we have offices in the 24 regions in this country, and we are still expanding. So in my own opinion, young people are much welcome to join this political party, and it is the party that we are so much proud of today. Thank you.
Today we are very glad the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties has issued us with a full registration of our party, National Economic Development Party of Kenya. We started this journey in 2019, and then we lodged the documents in these offices in 2020. It has not been an easy journey, and I take this opportunity to thank the office